This is a beading tool which provides an easy installation of crochet braids. I am using the Free Trust Dookie braid. You want to locate the hole in which you are going to crochet the hair into your actual braids. Insert the beading tool under your actual braid in order to secure the spot where the crochet braid is going to go. Take the end of the braid and put it through the loop of the beading tool. Pull the end of the braid underneath your braid. You are now going to locate the hole on the end of the braid. Insert the end of the braid into the beading tool and pull the beading tool out of the braid. In exchange, the end of the braid will go straight through the hole, and then you can begin to pull and secure it to your scalp.